Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right. Then you can either click on the settings cog at the top or scroll down to settings and privacy. So once you've clicked on there, select settings, and then underneath preferences you should see newsfeed. So just tap on there, and then in the middle it should say unfollow. So this will just let you unfollow people, pages and groups to stop seeing their posts. So just select that. This will bring up all the people that you follow. So all you need to do is just simply tap on each one, and then you can obviously go through them all if you want to do so. Then just press the arrow to come out of the page once again, and you'll see at the bottom your preferences have been saved. So that's how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook. Thanks for watching.